So now I want to check how does the air passage look like inside. So we'll take out the air filter. Well, it's not exactly air filter, it's just let me see, just a cap. So you don't have really like any filters, anything like this. It's one screw on top, then you have a couple of screws here, so it's actually two screws. Alright. Well, it doesn't look too bad actually. It's no oil here, nothing. So don't really need to clean it, but still I want to check how does the carburetor plate and so on look like. Let's see. So this is what we have here. It's not actually too dirty, and I don't think I would need to clean it. Let me see, yeah, it looks kind of fine. Carburetor plate, it also kind of looks okay. And the carburetor itself too. I don't see anything here that I need to clean or replace, so it looks fairly okay to me. Alright, this is how we check it. So this is it. Yeah. Yes, looks good.